to a brand new YouTube video. And in today's video we're going to be looking at how to make money as a programmer. Now this video is for any category of programmer, independent of the programming language you're programming in, whether you're programming in Python, C Sharp, C++, HTML. Actually, HTML is not a programming language, but any programming language you use, this tutorial is very useful for you. Now, whether you're a beginner programmer or an advanced programmer and intermediate programmer, this step should work for you. Now, the last step is actually the best for beginner programmers and the best way I see a lot of beginner programmers making money today in the programming world. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Now, as a beginner programmer, stick to the end of the video to see the best way to make money as a beginner programmer. So let's jump into the video. So the first way we're going to be looking at is by freelancing. Now this is said everywhere, and I can't overemphasize on this. You can earn money via freelancing. Now some of the platforms you can use for any money online as a freelancer is we have Fiverr.com. I personally don't use this, but Fiverr is a very great way to learn to actually showcase your talent and make a little bit of money. Maybe you can say Python programmer. So I just went to the Fiverr site and I'm looking to get a Python programmer. And you can see a lot of people are here and they are putting up their skills. For example, this person is saying, I will teach you to become a Python programmer. Now, I can bet you that this guy actually doesn't know a lot about Python programming, but he's actually putting himself out and he's saying, I will teach you to become a Python programmer. And he's just collecting how much? $10. Okay. So you can give him $10 and he's going to put you through how to become a Python developer. He might teach you from the basics and whatever questions you might be asking him. Now this is a very great place to start off. You can put your resume here, whatever you know how to do. If you can write hello world in Python, or you can still go ahead and create a portfolio here. Tell the person, okay, I'm going to be explaining this for you. Just put out your skill here and please don't state what you can't do. Strictly write what you can do, because I've had a lot of cases where I bid for jobs that I know I can't handle. Like I got a C++ job for freelancing from freelancer.com and I was asked to actually complete an object-oriented model for C++ and I was unable at the moment. It was going for about $300 to $500, so I actually lost out on that gig. I got hired, but I wasn't able to complete the job. So that is actually not good for you. Put what you know you can do, and I believe you're going to get success with that. There are a lot of gigs here on Fiverr. All you have to do is to go on to www.fiverr.com and get registered as an affiliate, as a programmer, and you can actually sorry as a Fiverr member. Sorry about that. You're going to register as a Fiverr member, and you can start putting up your gig and telling people what you can do, and hopefully people come up to you and they hire you. Now this is one of the sites where we can freelance. We have another site called freelancer freelancer.com, and freelancer.com is basically where you can hire freelancer. Once you register as a freelancer here on freelancer.com, you can bid for jobs. That you're gonna see a lot of jobs here. Somebody might tell you, okay, I need a Python developer to do this, I need a Python developer to do that, I need a C Sharp developer, I need to create this little website. Now this is the best place for such things. Okay, now if you're a beginner, you know you can't do any of this, stick to the end of the video. Just like I said, I'm going to be showing you one of the top ways I made money online as a beginner programmer. So freelancer.com, we also have others like Upwork. You can go ahead and check up on those, and those are some of the ways I believe you can make money as a programmer. Number one is by freelancing, so we've just gone over that. Now the second way you can make money online as a programmer is by teaching. That's by tutoring people or having an online presence. When I say online presence, you might have a YouTube channel, you might have should I say a website where you teach people how to program and you post a lot of content. Now, tutoring, as it seems, maybe you know a little bit of Python, you know the basics of Python, and you actually have a neighbor or you have someone around you who needs to learn Python, and you can just offer up yourself, or you can go ahead to meet people. Okay, I'm gonna take your kids on these Python programming lessons, and you're gonna be paying me $20 per hour. Some even pay as much as $100, $80 per hour, depending on what you discuss. So depending on your country. Okay, so tutoring, having an online presence is another way. An online presence, for example, you might want to have a YouTube channel. If I go onto YouTube right now, youtube.com, you're also watching me off of YouTube, so you know how great that is. Now once I go to YouTube and I go to my channel Code with Vic, And for reference, you guys should subscribe to my channel because only 2% of you are actually subscribed at the moment. You can see I'm here creating a lot of content, teaching people about Python programming, sorting, Python decorator, Python game. Now I might not have been having a lot of views. Like I have some videos with 22,000 views, some videos with 8,000 views, and a lot of other videos which are not really having a lot of views, but believe me or not, a lot of people have been reaching out to me on my email telling me, okay, I need to complete this project, and I am getting paid by completing their project. So just by getting an online presence this way, people can reach out to you and people can like, okay, I need this from you, I need to partner with you. And you're actually just putting yourself out for people to be able to get contact with you and actually benefit something from you. So this is another way you can make money online by tutoring people directly, by having an online presence, by creating a website. Now, if you want to create a YouTube channel, I'm going to give you a little guide. Right now I'm recording my laptop screen and you can see I'm using the OBS broadcaster. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link of the OBS studio download part to in my description, and also in the comment section. I'm going to be leaving a link to all the things I'm going to be mentioning today in my description. Now the OBS studio allows us, it's a free software, so you're not paying for anything. All you have to do is to download it, and off the desk you can get it started and running. So the OBS you can download it, and once you get it installed, you can easily record your screen just like I'm recording my screen. Get a good microphone. Like I'm not showing my face, so you definitely don't have to show your face on your channel, and you will still be making great content. Now this is one way to make your YouTube video. Now there are some videos on YouTube which actually the users don't show their face. For example, let's see whiteboard animation. Now I know you've come across a lot of whiteboard videos, such as this video that I'm having here. And this is actually let me mute this out. This is actually a very great way to get your users attention, get them engaged, and you can create a video like this without even having a microphone, because the applications you use for creating this kind of videos, you can easily just type in your text and then arrange your images that you need to use for creating this particular video, and then you can see the hand kind of like drawing out everything. Now if you like to make a YouTube video, like a YouTube channel with this kind of content in programming, it's still very possible. Okay, there are a lot of programming videos that are made up of whiteboard animation, glassboard animation, and so on. So there's a great software you can use for creating this kind of videos, and these kind of videos are usually very engaging. And the software I use for my other channel is called the Doodoo Maker. Okay, so the Doodoo Maker is actually a paid software, which I'm going to be leaving a link if you want to get it. You can always go for OBS if you want the free software, but if you like this the other type of videos where you have a whiteboard animation and you have to like go through, you have to like just type in what you need, like your script. You type in your script and then your videos will be developed for you, and a voiceover is going to be generated by the computer. You can go ahead and use this Doodle Maker. Now this Doodle Maker goes for $67, but if you follow the link in my description, you're going to be getting it for $18 off. So once you get this software, you can easily create YouTube videos with it, and you can get the best out of your YouTube video, get the best engagement. You can actually create great videos with this once you put in your time. Not a make money quick scheme, but you can easily make money with the Doodle Maker by just creating YouTube videos. People are going to reach out to you. Your YouTube video is going to get a lot of views because of the engagement you are getting, your keyword and everything. So this is actually a great software for creating content. Now this was just a bonus for you guys if you are looking forward to creating a YouTube channel. And that is it for online tutoring. So we are done with tutoring, and then the final and the best way I would advise a beginner programmer, someone who is not really good at programming, or has not gotten hands-on the programming, is still trying out to learn, is by helping small businesses. Now when I started out programming, I wasn't making any money, and I wasn't really expecting to make any money. I'm not saying if you start programming you should expect to make money or something, but at least I was looking for $100 per month, $500 per month, just to keep myself up and running. $1,000, my goal was actually $2,000 to $3,000 per month, and I wasn't there, but I started out something. Now, with my programming knowledge and a lot of practice, I started learning the C# programming language. You don't have to do that, okay? I'm just telling you my own journey and how you can easily achieve the same thing I've just achieved. So, you have to first of all think of the problems that are around you. Now, you don't just have to learn programming. There are a lot of programmers who have learned programming for 3 years. A lot of programmers have learned programming for 5 years, and they still have nothing to write home about. They just write the same scripts over and over again, maintain the database, and that's all they do. So, as a different developer, you have a mindset to help people out. You have small businesses around you, such as cafes. You have personal trainers. We have realtors. That's people who take out care of real estates. And we have different kind of people. Your hotels around you, your school around you. You want to make a software for them. Now, one thing that people don't know is that most people around these days have websites. So almost everywhere you go have websites, but apps are really not that easy to create, and apps are very scarce. Now, you can take a good advantage of that by creating apps for businesses. When I started out, I created a website for a school and I put it out there. I was maintaining the website and I was getting paid for doing that. Now, that was a very difficult way because I had to learn the C# programming language for a month, learn the MVC framework, and had to go through a lot of hustles, and I was able to finally get the application done, and was still having a lot of bugs, trying to fix them and trying to keep up my code. And that was how I was able to land my first job as a programmer, helping small businesses. Now, this is a very great place where you can start. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can help small businesses as a programmer. Now, this is not for you to write code. You don't have to write code. I'm going to be presenting a software to you that you can easily start learning how to design software with, okay? So you don't have to write any code. All you have to do is to drag and drop and create great websites. Now, enough talking. We can go ahead and look at the particular app. The app is called Zappable. Now, Zappable is not just an app. It is a professional, you can create professional apps with the Zappable industry. It is a mobile app agency, so it's not just like an application, and it's actually a very high cost. It's very, very expensive, but I assure you that it is worth it because I've seen a lot of people who have used this app. A lot of my friends have introduced this app to, have been able to get success by creating apps for fitness trainers, creating apps for social media influencers. So it's really hard to get across an app right now, but if you can be able to get that, you will really be a winner in this case because you can go up to a lot of people. Now, these people have a lot of prepaid templates. I'm not saying you should use their templates out of the box because it's gonna not you're not gonna stand out. You can easily edit their templates to make your great applications. Now, they have the cafe shop Zappable agency. They even have marketing videos for you where you can easily show it off to your future people that you have to work with. We have business coach. That's the video for business coach where you can market to video business coaches when you create your application. We have realtors. These are default templates you have in the app that you can easily access and you can make use of to create your application. You can create an application for a restaurant. You can create for a personal fitness trainer. And one thing is you don't actually have to write any code. Now you can see dominates virtually untapped $77 billion marketplace and create your own professional app within minutes. Now, beginner friendly, fast and simple to use. So it is very, very beginner friendly. Now, even if you don't know how to write code, you can easily start from here. Then once you get in a little money, you can easily concentrate on what you are doing, because concentration when programming, you need concentration. You don't have to be worried about, oh, how do I make money, or how do I, you have to be concentrated. So getting this app will help you out. You can easily learn. Now it's a bit pricey. That's the only down part. It's about $497. But I assure you, if you get this particular app for that price, you would be able to make back your money in a week. That's if you're serious. You've built an app. Maybe you are targeting any of these categories down here. You might be targeting a realtor around you. You might be targeting a small business around you, be it a food place, a cafe, a restaurant, a business coach, a social media influencer, anyone around you that you know might need an app. You create this app for them. Tell them why they can easily interact with their audience with this app. Tell them why they need an app. Put your effort into creating these apps, and you would see that, okay, this actually pays off. You might actually be selling some apps for $500, $1,000, and you can see that you get your money back. Now, this 497 is actually a cut down price. It was used to be much expensive earlier, but now it's actually at this stage. Now they have a lot of things here for you. They have icon builders, and this is actually a hosted on a cloud, so it's a cloud-based app agency service. So if you get this app, you can easily start creating applications for people, charging them for it, developing yourself, in your software development and GUI skills, and you see how you can benefit off of this application. The downside is the price, $497. I can't talk too much about this, so I'm going to still be leaving the link to the Zappable app. So this is the Zappable app, and you can use it to build app. I'm going to be leaving the link to the Zappable app in the description and in the comment section, so you can easily get this if you are capable. Now, I'm not saying you should put your savings into this, but this is actually a great investment. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next tutorial. Sign. Peace.